अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए सेकेंड ईयर माय फर्स्ट ईयर एट कॉलेज का ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले कोटेशन लिखेंगे। अ कॉलेज इज़ अ लाइट हाउस विच एमिट्स रेडिएशंस ऑफ नॉलेज एंड विजडम, cherishing high hopes, inner joy, and a promising future ahead. I neared the campus. I thought about happy moments in college. After a bad experience of strict discipline of school, I wanted to have a sigh of relief among players of college life. I had already come to know about the frank environment of college. The students play tricks and crack jokes with one another. The lectures encourage group discussions and research on a topic instead of cramming notes. Besides, there are greater opportunities of extra co-curricular activities to search talent. A new place and a new life with a new lifestyle. My first day at college is a memorable experience of my life. It is marked with excitement, nervousness, and fears. So, it will haunt me forever in the years to come. As we entered the college, I came across a new world. The worthy teachers were welcoming the newcomers and guiding them to the assembly hall of the college. We were told that on the first day there would be no classwork but the welcome address of the principal. Only the first year students were invited and the senior ones were given on a holiday. It was a good news for us as well as a bad one for the seniors who had been deprived of the golden opportunity of fooling. College is like a fountain of knowledge and the students are there to drink. The hall was decorated with pictures of young Qaid-e-Azam, previous principals and some shining stars of the college. There were 900 students seated. At 9 o'clock, the principal entered the hall. Then the worthy professors also took their respective seats. The principal was an old but healthy man. His face showed a strong determination. His strong voice echoed Assalamu alaikum in the hall. The welcome address had begun. The best way to pay for a lovely moment is to enjoy it. The principal started explaining the reality and the importance of college experience. His arguments were good and strong. With the help of data, the principal proved that a greater number of college students spoil their lives. He said, "Life is not a bed of roses. You are supposed to work hard." He was very inspiring and motivating. He told us that college provides opportunity to deal with future tasks. The principal reformed my concept of player. He explained that player is a small corner in the big room of hard work. Player refreshes you for hard work and not vice versa. He surprised me. If you spoil yourself, you spoil the future of the country. He told us that college means greater discipline and a sense of responsibility. The principal's speech had come to an end, but a new phase of my life had started with a difference. We were entertained with tea and snacks. While taking tea, I was thinking about my mistaken notions about college. I was convinced that college opportunity should not be spoiled. There is time and place for everything that is college. In the final analysis, it was the first day at college that did my brain washing. I could have carried away easily with charms of the college life. In just a few moments, I was transformed into a responsible man. My debt to a principal is great for this revolution. College education shows a man how little other people know.
उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी नई अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।